I wasn't getting heat on either my passenger or driver's side, and my husband was out of town for the week. So I was able to watch a few YouTube videos on how to fix the passenger side. You just had to clean that right there. But the driver's side, I couldn't find very many videos on how to fix just this part. I was able to unscrew it, detach it, get that piece out. The problem I ran into was getting it cleaned out. Unscrew this, flip it over, carefully undo all these little pins. Take the motor out. Take this first wheel out. And now you're left with this. On the other one, these copper pins on the inside, those 3 back here, were accessible. And this one, they're not. The other one, there was carbon on them. They're a little bit dirty. So because I couldn't figure out how to re-lubricate the 3 middle tines in there, I just stuck my finger in here and I spun the wheel. It sounds much smoother already. We're just gonna put everything back together. Hopefully we get some heat. This arm I found it downwards. I don't know if that's how it goes, but that's how I'm gonna put it back. Put the motor back in. And now that that's in the correct position, clip everything back together. Okay, and now we'll reassemble this piece on the back. With the arm in the downward position, we've got our thing back. Now that I've got that securely clicked into place, I'm going to reconnect my power right here. When you replace this part, you do want to make sure that that back white part, the back of the pin, lines up with that other white shaft, because this arm will get pushed up and down, and that is essentially what is allowing heat to flow through or not flow through. Once it's in, you can put your screws back in and then screw them in tight. Okay. Now, that's it. All right, now let's check to see if that's working. If they're going hot air. And cold. Woo! And we always put our tools back, especially for your husbands.